Welcome to our ultimate shoe rack organization guide. In this video, we will show you the best tips and tricks for maximizing your shoe rack space and keeping your footwear collection neat and tidy. Whether you have a small apartment or a large closet, we have solutions for everyone. From DIY shoe rack ideas to the best storage bins and organizational tools, we've got you covered. Watch until the end for our top recommendations and step-by-step instructions. Say goodbye to cluttered shoe racks and hello to a perfectly organized space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more organization tips and tricks. Let's get started on transforming your shoe rack today. So let's go. The Simple Houseware 6-tier shoe rack storage organizer with side hanging bag in white offers an elegant solution to your shoe storage needs, combining functionality with style. This versatile organizer is designed to efficiently store and display your footwear collection while also providing additional storage space with its convenient side hanging bag. Crafted from durable materials, this shoe rack ensures long-lasting durability and stability, allowing you to neatly arrange up to 18 pairs of shoes across its 6 tiers. The sturdy construction ensures that your shoes are securely held in place, preventing clutter and maximizing floor space in your home. The sleek white finish adds a touch of modern elegance to any room, seamlessly blending with various interior decor styles. Whether placed in your entryway, bedroom, or closet, this shoe rack enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space while keeping your footwear neatly organized and easily accessible. Featuring a side-hanging bag, this organizer offers additional storage for accessories such as socks, shoelaces, or small handbags. The hanging bag provides quick and convenient access to essential items, helping you streamline your daily routine and keep your belongings tidy. Assembly is quick and straightforward, requiring no special tools. With its compact design, this shoe rack fits seamlessly into tight spaces, making it ideal for apartments, dormitories, or any area with limited room. The open design of the shoe rack allows for optimal air circulation, helping to prevent unpleasant odors and mold growth, keeping your shoes fresh and in pristine condition. Additionally, the elevated tiers ensure that your shoes are visible at a glance, making it easy to find the perfect pair for any occasion. Say goodbye to cluttered closets and messy entryways with the Simple Houseware 6-tier shoe rack storage organizer with side hanging bag. With its practical design and elegant appearance, this organizer offers a stylish solution to your shoe storage dilemmas, helping you maintain a clean and organized living space. Finally, organize your shoes in a way that makes sense to you. You can arrange them by color, style, or even by the season. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. Follow these simple tips, and you'll have a perfectly organized shoe rack in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more organization tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe.